Hi. I'd say some of the top things I've learned this course so far. One would be just, the history of the national parks and kind of, the philosophy and all the steps it took to get to building the national parks and establishing those, and even just like the history of, learning how to run them and like the science that has evolved along the way with it. I think also learning about the conflicts back then and how it's similar to the conflicts we're facing now, what with like the influx of tourism and, mass amount of people being in the national parks and the overcrowding and the concerns then with, oh, should we develop and create some roads, with the concerns now, like what are we going to do, or do we need to expand and whatnot. I think also learning like the difference between preservation and conservation, that I didn't know before that there was a difference, and so that's been cool to learn about the differences between there and the different philosophies. As far as like when I have experienced awe in nature. I've been on a few boat tours on the ocean, and I just felt like so fascinated while being on the ocean and just seeing like the vast stretch of the blue water and just being fascinated by the waves and all that has been really cool and put a lot of things in perspective.